All right, let's solve this question. 10x plus 136 equals minus 8 minus 2x. We have to find the value of x. Solution. You rewrite the question. 10x plus 136 equals minus 8 minus 2x. The first step is to collect the like terms. So we have 10x minus 2x, we cross equality sign to become plus 2x equals minus 8 plus 136, we cross equality sign to become minus 136. 10x plus 2x is 12x equals minus 8 minus 136 is minus 144. The next step is to make x the subject of formula by dividing both sides with the coefficient of x, which is 12. 12 can cancel 12. What do we have left? X equals, you bring down the minus, 144 divided by 12 gives you 12. What it simply means that the value of x is minus 12. If you go back to the model equation and substitute x as minus 12, you will discover that everything on the left hand side will equal everything on the right hand side. Let's prove that quickly. Going back to the equation, 10x, x is now minus 12, bracket close, plus 136 equals minus 8 minus 2x, x is now minus 12, bracket close. 10 times 12 is 120, so we have minus 120 plus 136 equals minus 8 minus 2 times minus 12. Minus times minus is plus. 2 times 12 is 24. All right. Minus 120 plus 136 will give you 16 equals minus 8 plus 24 will give you 16. So the equation is balanced. What it simply means that the value of x as minus 12 is 100% correct. This is Student Affairs. Kindly share this video and most importantly, keep learning. Bye for now.